Hey guys, this chain here, freaking sweet. This come from Mytee products. I'm leaving a link in the description below. You might want to get you one of these things because this is a 3/8 black coated, high quality, high tensile transport chain. The working weight limit on this thing is like 8,800 pounds. It meets or exceeds the NACM and ASTM standard, and it's actually approved for overhead lifting. And that's what I use it for, that and stupid stuff like this. Yeah, sorry for the crappy video. I'd done that with my phone and there was grease on it. But this thing is freaking amazing. And this black coating on it, you can't tell, I've drug it through the mud and the muck and it's still not rusted. It's been riding around in my truck for like a month now. And this chain here, I think it's like 160 bucks, and you guys can actually get a discount, and I'm gonna leave that down in the description below. But man, don't count these things out, because once you hook them, they're not coming loose. These things freaking sweet. Check them out. Go down to their website, dude. They got all kinds of chains and binders and stuff like that, and give them a shot, man. Super good people, and man, I can't say enough about it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to check these guys out. All right, thank you, Mytee Products. We'll catch y'all next time.